Oleg Berezin. Hesisin. Hesisin. And saying already this is a blue, an old rusty car. It's the next gen car. His name is Oliver Aroma. Here is a custom diecast. This is the number 7. This is the next gen. This is the name. Here you read. I would take us a seat here to read. I would take a seat. That's a checkout. With no glue sticks. And to put that in the fingers in the hand. You don't have a sticker. I ordered this a single duty. I can't wait to somewhere. I can't need to see. I can't even see you today. Oh no, what's the thing? That's the thing. Brown and dark, light yellow, dark yellow and dust. Yes, dark metallic and dark blue. I could just see. That's the thing of the next gen car. The dark gold and rusty dust. Here's number 7. Here we go. See you get the number of Jimmy and Toby. Here we go. See Kayla. Why you see? Here on the next gen racer is Oliver Aroma. Hey, just at the back side. I guess it's a blue spoiler. Hate to see you. Rookie with red orange. It's like orange. It's hey, the iron. Number 7. This is brilliant. Secure. The mate. Oliver Remember. Oh. Number 7. Here's the dark gold. Super dark. Dark gold. It's black and rusty. Hey, do you want to see room? As the Oliver Aroma. Let's see. Renault. Let's see. Big pan. Let's see. 2 sugar from the second not working. I just see this glue stick. Spell spell its name. Renault. Renault. That's the end. Hey, what is this a review? Has it Oliver Aroma? I say Carol. Have a custom diecast from Root Train. This is a checkout. Hey, what's the thing to CD? Look at the CC. Character shooting. Oh, hey, this is a checkout from Oliver Aroma.